Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Chibera here, and today I am in an Airbnb apartment in Enugu. I know a whole lot of people do not know there are Airbnbs in Enugu, but the good news is there are a whole lot of Airbnbs, and I'm currently in one. Guys, I just checked into this apartment. It costs $18 per night, and I love everything. In fact, what I'm seeing here is better than what I saw online. And guys, I just felt like, let me give you guys a tour of what the apartment looks like, what you can find in here. Just in case you're in Enugu or you're visiting Enugu, this apartment is someplace you need to be. It's very comfortable, it's very affordable, and let's just get started into the video. So guys, this is the general living room, and the furnitures are here, as you can see. And this is the media console. I love everything about this. The color is so contrasting. They also have a CCTV thing going on there. I think it's put in because of this, the guests coming in here for safety and security purposes. So, I'm loving the whole color, the lighting. Here it's actually very well lit. Coming over here is a mini wine bar, and this bar is open to all the guests. So I'm just thinking maybe I might just spend the night or my evening with just a bottle of rosé. Yeah, this is an Italian wine. So this will be my friend this evening, guys. This will be so moving away from the bar is another minimal thing here, which is the dining table. The dining table is for 6 people at once. Yeah, correct, 6 people, and whatever it is you want to eat goes over here in the dining set. And something else I forgot to tell you guys is this washing space. Before I checked into this place, before I showed my room after I checked in, I was made to wash my hand here with a sanitizer and water and soap. The whole coronavirus thing going on. You can't be too sure of me and letting into your apartment. So guys, let's move over to other parts of the apartment. Come with me. So guys, this is my room, and my room is pretty simple, and I love the whole minimal thing. Here, of course, here is the bed. I'll be in this room for 3 days, like I told you guys. This is a working space where, of course, I'll be doing most of my writing and my video editing. There is a fridge here, which is still empty because I just checked in, and there are other things I'll put there. And there are 2 bedside drawers here. There are 2 bedside drawers, which are, of course, they are empty. There's a fan, there's an AC. All of these are still on because the weather is hotter in Nigeria. I need to chill. And of course, this is the wardrobe. The wardrobe is actually very big. So this is the bathroom area. This is the wash hand basin. This is the mirror. The shower system. There's a water heater as well. There's a water heater, and of course, this is the toilet. So okay guys, so this is another room different from my own. This is for people with family. As you can see, this is like the kids' toys and everything. So if you're coming with your family, with your wife or your children, this is a nice room for you. This is a smaller bed. I think this should be for a child or for a smaller person. And this is like the master's, is it master bed? Like the bigger bed. And of course there are 2 bedside frames there, and as usual you have a wardrobe there which is empty, and I just love the wardrobe set because they're very big. Like whatever it is you have can fit in here. And this is a reading table or a working desk, so you can sit down here, do your makeup, because there's a mirror here. So let me just adjust my head. So there's a mirror here, you can do all of that. And then let's get to the restroom. Alright, so there's actually like an upgrade here. Yeah, so looks like here. Okay, your WC as usual, water heater, wash hand basin, and all of that. So that's pretty much everything in this apartment, in this room. And this room goes for the same price, $18 per night. So if you're coming with your family, there's a room for you. If you're coming with your kids, there's a room for you. And there are toys, so you may not necessarily have to travel with your own toys. So guys, this is the little living room. Every guest in this apartment stays here, but they can also stay in the living room downstairs, but this is pretty much our living room. So over here you have the media console. There are like 3 cushions here, the table, side stools, fan, AC, and everything is so good here. So guys, this is the laundry space, this is the washing machine, and this is the pressing board. And guys, I was informed that you have to pay extra 1,000 naira per day for laundry services. So if you have clothes you need to wash, you need to iron and all that, you just have to give it to someone that does that for you, but at an extra cost of 1,000 naira per day. So that's pretty much everything here. So let's move over to the gym section. Right. Okay guys, I'm loving the whole vibe. Still in this apartment. I remember I told you this apartment is for $18 per night. So if you are going to stay in this house, you are also entitled to this, but at no extra cost, no extra fee. It covers your $18 per night, covers everything. So if you're someone like me who loves to keep fit, you just have to come here, walk on the treadmills, cycle here, lift dumbbells. There are just a whole lot of things you can do for the time being, and I think it's nice. Okay, I'm not in my gym outfit, so I'm not going to work out now, but this is pretty much this. Hey guys, so this is the kitchen area. Do I say my kitchen? Well, my kitchen for the next few days, guys. So basically, this is it has a setting of a typical Nigerian kitchen. This cabinet here contains basic things like oil, honey, provisions, and all of that. Then these ones have plastic containers in case you're planning to cook and refrigerate and all of that kind of thing. And this is basically that. This is a toaster, a blender, everything you need in a kitchen. And over here is for your cleaning. This is a dishwasher. There's a dishwasher here, guys. This is pretty much the kitchen. It's very neat, it's spacious, and I mean, what else are you looking for in a kitchen? It has it. $18 per night for all of these. So guys, I'm loving everything about this apartment. I love the serenity of the environment, and like I've showed you guys, I've shown you the rooms, the kitchen, the gym center, and I love the gym center very well because I am a lover of healthy lifestyle and workouts, keeping fit and all that. So I hope you enjoyed this vlog, and I hope you enjoyed this apartment with me. I just wish you guys can come and chill with me here. But if you're ever in Enugu, make sure to check this apartment out. It is very, very affordable. Like, every facility here deserves the money. And if you ever want to stay in this apartment, I'll drop the link in my description box below. Check them out to stay here, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Do not forget to like this video, drop your comments below, share with your friends and family, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!